Hello, I am Montgomery County Precinct 3 Commissioner James Noack, and I am proud to introduce you to the Spring Creek Greenway Nature Center. Our newly renovated Nature Center boasts a number of great new features that serve to enrich the lives of anyone who comes to visit. Our collection of live animals is even larger and more diverse than ever before. We have snakes, including a few venomous species, lizards, turtles, amphibians, and invertebrates. Our collection is always changing as we find new specimens and return our temporary residents to the wild. We also have an expanded pond exhibit which features many of the aquatic species found in our very own bluegill pond. On top of all that, I'm excited to announce our brand new alligator exhibit, the first of its kind in Montgomery County. Our goal is to promote awareness about these creatures in a fun, positive way so that they can be treated with the respect they deserve in the wild. Our exhibits feature natural objects found both locally and across the great state of Texas. We have bones, fossils, minerals, shells, feathers, and so much more for you to see close up and even touch. We want everyone to have at least a glimpse into the natural world, from the elegantly simple to the beautifully complex. We host a wide variety of programs and events that offer something for every member of the family. From story time to family fishing camp, from guided nature hikes to spring break week, we offer experiences that will create special memories for the whole family. In addition, our brand new Spring Creek Community Room is available to the residents of Montgomery County for any special events they may want to celebrate and create memories of their own. I hope you join us and discover all the excitement, beauty, and wonder of the Spring Creek Greenway Nature Center.